Trying to throw the net for some shad.
Trying to get some catfish candy.
Yeah. Good throw.
Yes, that's something.
What is that? Big. That's a big boy. That's a big shad. Got a little white bass in there too.
Well, 30 or 40 more of those.
Damn, dude, you're killing it, bro. You're getting the bait. Good throw. Be ready to turn her.
Ooh, I'm getting bit, boys. Get bit.
Let's see a carp, dude. I want to see a big carp. Tons of shad. There we go. Nice throw. That's what we're looking for, baby. That's what we're doing.